Hey y'all, how you doing? In one of my last videos, I think it was called Fall Garden Tour or something, I mentioned a bunch of things that I wanted to get done, and I spent the last week working on those things. Tommy helped me a little bit, and while we didn't get the whole list done, we did get a bunch of it done. So this video is about those things getting done, and probably a couple other things thrown in there as well. So thank you for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so on day one, I got this hydrangea transplanted. Hopefully it does well here, and then I can put a second one right next to it. So what I was doing there was I was at work and I had taken some cuttings from a red tip photinia, and I'm rooting them. I don't know if you can see, but they're already getting some little tiny roots in there. It's probably too small for you to see. But anyway, so that's what I was doing there. And when these have some good roots, I'm going to put these in a pot. So Tommy finished getting this side panel up for me. So I'll be able to train this rose, climbing rose, to go along here as well as up over this. And I moved this bed, this raised bed. I have two of these. There's going to be one on this side and one on that side over there once that panel's put up. I don't know what I'm going to grow in it yet, whether it's going to be ornamentals or vegetables, but we'll see. I'm going to put some cardboard in the bottom, kill the grass, start getting this ready for spring. And I haven't gotten all of this burned yet. It's what's left of the crepe myrtle. And last but not least, Tommy got our new fire pit put together so we can have s'mores with the granddaughter. My Confederate rose is still doing beautifully. And the hydrangea that I planted, a little bit of transplant shock, but it's still doing okay. Not ready to move the other one yet, but it still looks pretty good. And I still have some broody hens. Hello, ladies. Let's see. Watch out. I have fake eggs in here. My granddaughter decorated it. Ooh, that's a little egg. There's your fake eggs back. So I think the best part about this video was that I finally got that hydrangea moved. There's two of them there that my daughter planted several years ago, I think 3 years ago. And there used to be a window unit there. And that window unit's since been removed. And Tommy's going to be putting a window there to let in some more light into the living room. So when he's working in that area, it's such a small space between the central air and heat unit and the back of the wall that he would be crushing those hydrangeas, and we don't want that to happen. And I think they can do better in a different location. That's too small of a space for both of them plus a shrimp plant. They won't reach their full potential there. So I'm going to wait and see if that one does well in the location that I moved it to, and then move the other one to the same location if that one does well. And I think it will. I don't have any reason to believe it wouldn't do well in that area. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Have a good day.